Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. This is a World Coin Hunt and it's been designated World Coin Hunt number 57. Firstly, we have a 2p here from 1980 from Jersey. On this side we have the Queen, and on this side we have the country, the value and the coat of arms. There are two mintage figures for this coin. One is 10,000, which is proof, and the other one is 2 million. I tend to think that this is not a proof coin, and so therefore I'm giving it a mintage of 2 million. The second coin is also a 2p coin from Jersey. This one is from 1985. On this side we have a late Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. On the reverse side, however, we have the church, and it's the Hermitage of St Helier. On this side we also have the value of 2p and the country. The mintage is the lowest mintage of this particular coin in its run of years, and that is only 250,000. It's on a par, if you're looking for it, as the same as the just a little bit higher than the Kew Gardens, 50p. Third coin is from Ireland, and here we have the harp, the country and the year. This is a coin from Ireland or Era from 1993, and it is a 1p coin. On the reverse we have the value of 1 penny, and we have a bird, which is a stylised bird from the Book of Kells, which is a famous Irish book. The mintage for this 1993 coin is 10 million. Oh, excuse me, snuffles today, hay fever, terrible. Next coin is a South African coin from 1985, it's a 1 cent coin. On this side we have the year, the coat of arms and the country name. On the reverse side we have the value of 1 cent, and we have two Cape Sparrows. The mintage for this 1985 1 cent coin from South Africa is 186,042,000. Very high mintage. Oops, which way up is it? It's that way up. Excuse me again. This is a Malaysian 1 cent coin from 1989. On this side you have the value, the year, the country name and the hibiscus flower. On the reverse of this coin we have the tribal drum of Malaysia, which is known as the Rebana Ubi Dru. This particular year of 1989 is the lowest mintage for this particular 1 cent coin, and the mintage is 28,429,082. Come on, give me the coin. Here we go. On this coin we have a castellated bronze coin. It's from Jersey. It's a 3 penny coin. It's also known as a quarter shilling. We have a crowned portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on this coin, and on the reverse we have the coat of arms, the country name, the year and value. The mintage for this 1964 coin is 1,200,000. Oh, excuse me. This next coin is a very old coin. It's a 5 cent coin from 1916. It has Marianne and the country name on this side, and we have on the reverse we have the year, and it seems to be showing the Madonna and Child, or the Republic Protestang, and the Republic figures such as Marianne holding a child. This 1916 coin has a mintage of 41,531,365. Excuse me, I'm just going to turn the fan off. It is warm today, but it is. That must be annoying for you. I do apologise. The next coin in this hunt, which way round is it? I think it's that way. It is from Russia. It is 10 rubles and it's from 2017. You have the coat of arms and the country name on this side, and you have the value, flower and vine, some description of laurel. This mintage of 2017 has no mintage figures available. The next one is from France. Shows Marianne and you have the country name, and this is a 10 centimes coin from 1984. On this side you have Marianne and the country name, and on the reverse here we have the value and the year, and we also have the wheat and olive stems. The mintage for this 1984 coin is 200,002,447. This next one is a 5 shekel coin from Israel. On this side you have the value and some Yiddish writing, and on this side we have the cornucopia and the Israeli symbol. There is no mintage figure for this coin. This next coin is from Colombia. It's 200 pesos from 1997. On this side we have the year, the value and the country name. On the reverse we have a Colombian design, and I've just got to make sure I understand this. It's a stylized bird heads, and it's, can you buy a spindle wheel? I'm not sure what that is exactly. I'm sure I butchered it. The mintage for this coin is 37 million. Oh, I do apologise. I've got terrible catarrh, and I'm stuffed up with hay fever. I can't get rid of it. This is an Indian 1 rupee coin from 2004. We have the Ashoka lion pillars and the country name on this side. On the reverse we have the wheat sheaths and the 1 rupee value. There is no mintage figures for this coin. We have a 25-cent coin here from Belgium from 1973. It has the value, the country name and also a mint mark on this side, or I believe it's a mint mark. And then on the reverse we have the year and a crowned monogram. I think the monogram is a B, but I'm not 100% sure. Which might make it Queen Beatrice, maybe? I don't know. The mintage of this coin from 1973 is 12 million coins. The next coin is from Malaysia. It's a 10 sen from 1976. You have the value, the country name and the year on this side. On the reverse side we have the Parliament building. The mintage for this 1976 coin is 148,840,738. Here we have an Indian coin. Again, it shows the Ashoka lion pillars. It is a 1961 25 Parsi coin. On the reverse we have the value and the year. The mintage for this coin is 109,008,000. It's unusual to get any mintages at all for Indian coins. Right. We have 5 more coins, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5 more coins. This one is from South Africa. It's a 20-cent coin from 1965 and it shows a portrait of Johannes Farze. Or Fouche. So sorry, Johannes Fouche. F-O-U-C-H-E. On this side you have the portrait of Johannes, and then on the reverse you have the value of 20 cents, and you have a flower which is the Protea flower. That's P-R-O-T-E-A. The mintage for this coin is 29,210,000. The next one we have the Sower from France. It's a 1982 coin and it's 2 franc value. So you have the Sower on this side, and then on the reverse we have the 2 franc value, the year, the olive stem in the background. The mintage for this 1982 coin is 90,002,511. Here we have a Belgian coin with a head of Ceres. We have the cornucopia at the back of his head, going up the right hand side of the coin as you're looking. And we have the year. On the reverse we also have the country name. We have the value of 1 franc. That's either side of the crowned oak stem. This 1955 coin has a mintage of 10 million coins. Here's one of our favourite coins. It's a Taiwanese 10 Yao, or Yuan. That's Y-U-A-N. It's from 2008. It's sometimes referred to as new dollars. The portrait is of Chiang Kai-shek, and on the back we have the value and some Taiwanese writing, which I'm not 100% sure what it is. There are no mintage figures for this coin. Next we have a South African 20-cent coin from 1980. On this side we have the coat of arms, the country name and the year. On the reverse we have the value of the coin and a flower, and the flower is a Protea flower. The mintage for this 1980 coin is 13,335,000. Right, let's just take that out a bit. I have the coins bagged up ready for me to flip and put into my collection. I do a minimum of 4 videos a week, but just recently I've been doing 5 a week. This means I hope that you will find something that you want to watch next week. I'm currently looking to improve my subscription level. I'm at 196, we're talking, it's now the 12th of August, and I need your help because I'm aiming for 250 by the end of this year, by the end of 2023. Yes, it's quite a steep target since I only had 100 last Christmas, but it is doable. I believe it is doable, and I would like to ask if any of you have been watching videos and you've enjoyed them over the past few weeks and have not yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so? If you are brand new to the channel and you enjoy watching it, I would also appeal to you and ask you, if you've enjoyed the videos, please give them a thumbs up, please think about subscribing. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can buy the coins for what you want to pay for them. And finally, thank you for watching the whole video until the end. And until we meet up the next time, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you, and bye-bye. Ta-da now.